Okay, so here we have a Pioneer laser jukebox, and that's the manual for it. So it's a CJ-V99. So I'll just show you if it's of interest to you, just to okay. Once the door's open, nothing will operate because this little trip switch. So you push that in there, then it thinks the door's closed. Open it up, and these are your stackers inside. So each one of these holds 6 CDs. Another one over here. I've replaced all the tweeters in the doors and also in the sides. That rotates every 3 minutes, I think it is. There's a couple of lights in the amp when it's actually playing, so we'll put a song on. Okay. So as you can see, number 5. So number 5 is missing. Now play.
There are worse things I could do
Turn it down.
than go with a boy or two, even though the neighborhood thinks I'm trash.
So in here where the amp is, you've got a couple of flashing lights in there, and if those 2 are flashing and those 3 are on, then the system check on the amp on that computer is all working fine. Obviously, if there's only 2 on, or they're off, or that's not flashing, then there's your issue. And we've got total income, 75,255. That's not including your free play, that's just how many coins are going into it. And so obviously I've been right through the amp, it's all been done. Stackers have all been serviced. And we've replaced a few plastics, generally cleaned it up, put some new sides on it. Obviously no LED lights back in the early 90s, so they just had fluoros with coloured plastics. And, so there we go, just a little bit more info on it anyway. And I'll pull the spoon out and it shuts it down. Just as a safety thing, because that stops all this sort of turning then. So when the door's open, you don't get all your hand, you don't get your hand caught up. Okay. And there we go, so that's it. Yeah, very happy with the result. Pretty cool. Obviously changed all these, all new plastics on the top. Had to touch up some of this artwork because it was all scratched up.
The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but